Greetings. Yes, I. Anyways, I hear some people say, yeah, Minox, you got nothing. You have nothing to show. You've been in diaspora for how much years, 30 odd years. I just wonder what constitutes anybody to have anything to show to anyone that they have something. What do you want me to have that will make you feel happy? As a person, as a human being, as a citizen of the country you live, or the country you used to live, I'm at peace with myself. That's the first thing. I have freedom of movement anywhere I go in this entire world. That's another thing. I don't grudge. I don't fight for no reason. I don't envy people. I don't follow people. I lead. That's one of the things that you should know about Minox. I don't need to have possessions to constitute that I have or I live in diaspora. You get me? So regardless of what anybody wants to say about Minox, you can comment and you can say whatever you want about me, right? There's people who lived in diaspora. They've passed on and gone. What did they have? You don't talk about that. Right now I have life. No money in this world can buy life. I'm at peace with myself. I do what I want. I dress how I like. I talk how I like. And I'm around people that respect Minox as a person. I don't like to be around people who fear me, people who are scared of me. And I mean, most of the things I do out of respect and love and honor. Most people see me as a person that is rude, selfish, but my people see me as a leader, somebody to look up to. And some people ask me, why are you speaking in English? Because I want some of the young people who are born in diaspora, like my son, to understand where I'm coming from. I got brothers and sisters all over the world who have children that are born in the diaspora, or children back home that don't really understand what's going on around them. The major thing about life is respect, and focus on you and you and you alone, and respect other people. That's all I do. So positions doesn't make Minox. I'm who I am. Just accept that and we'll be good. Thanks and one love.